Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn how to draw a line segment using scale from lesson number 2, long and short. To draw a line segment, you are going to use a pencil and a scale. You are going to use 15 centimeter plastic scale to draw a line segment. First, we will learn how to read a scale. In the scale, you can see two types of measurement. This is known as centimeter and this is inches. To draw a line segment, we are going to use centimeter side of the scale. Can you see? The numbers are written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15 numbers will be there. The measurement between 0 to 1 is known as centimeter. The measurement between 1 to 2, 2 to 3 is known as centimeter. Between this centimeter, can you see 10 lines are given, which is known as millimeters. And between this millimeters line, you can notice one line is of medium length. And this measurement is known as half. That means 0.5 centimeter. This is 0.5. This is 0.5 centimeter and again you can see 0.5 centimeter. To measure the length of line segment. Now line segment is given. We are going to write the measurement. See, the line segment starts from 0 and you have to see where the line ends. The line ends in number 6. So, the measurement of this line is 6 centimeter. In the next one you see, again the line starts from 0 but it does not end with exact 3. You can see it is going little ahead of 3. So what we have to do? First you have to see 3 number. After 3, how many lines are there? We have to count up to the ending point of the line. So exactly on looking at this we can say it ends with this middle size measurement, that is 0.5, and this measurement is 3.5 centimeter. One more sum we will see. It starts from 0, then 2. After 2, how many lines are there? 2 lines. So what is the value of this? 2.2 centimeter. Now we will learn how to draw a line segment of given measure and name it. Line segment AB is equal to 3 centimeter. We are going to follow some steps to draw the line segment. First, you have to place the scale on your notebook. Using your pencil, we will make one point on 0. Then the second point will be according to the given measurement. What is the given measurement? 3 centimeter. So next point will come exactly on 3. After putting both the points, you have to join the dots. So this is 3 centimeter. After drawing the line in this manner, 3 centimeter. This is just for example I am showing. You are going to name it A, B, and then you have to write what is the measurement. It is 3 centimeter. So we will solve one more sum. Line segment EF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter, as I said, the first thing we have to mark 0. After 0, 4.5. Take this number first. Where is 4? 4 is here. After 4, what is this number? 5. You have to count 5 lines after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So draw again, put point, join the dots, and you have to name it. This will be E, this will be F, and then write the measurement. Line segment PQ is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Starting point 0, it is 6.4. First we have to see where is 6. After 6, we have to count 4 lines. Mark it and then join the lines, and you have to name it. This is another sum which you are going to solve in your notebook. Draw a square of. We all know in square all 4 sides are equal with 4 centimeter, and you are going to draw this square with the help of scale. How you have to draw? First you have to place the scale in this direction and take 4 centimeter. Then keep in this direction, draw 4 centimeter. In the same way you are going to complete all sides. Draw a rectangle of. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. 7 centimeter into 5 centimeter. You have to take bigger number for length and smaller number for breadth. In the same way, place the scale, draw 7 centimeter, and from here this point place the scale, draw 5 centimeter. As opposite sides are equal, again here it will come 7 centimeter. On left hand side it will come 5 centimeter. Thank you and have a nice day.